I just perm my hair. I'm just playing. I ain't perm my hair. Anyway, it's just another wash day routine, guys. It's just the Aztec clay I had in my hair. Oh wow! This is the Aztec clay, the apple cider vinegar, um, biotin oil. I just saw this in the store and I'm like, hey, let me try it. Look at it. Ooh. Biotin oil, and I think it was vitamin E oil. I added two. No, castor oil. It was castor oil. I mix together and I leave it in my hair overnight. And then now I'm gonna wash it out. Yeah, guys. Show you guys how I do that. Look at the definition. Why can't my hair look like this all the time? Huh? Why can't my hair just stay like this all the time? But nah. Always act like you don't got no damn manners. Anyways. So this is my black soap, aloe vera, DIY, and shampoo. Yum. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I'll be using this for my shampoo today. Hopefully, no conditioner again this week because I just don't want to. And I'm gonna show you guys how I make that this week as well. Well, I didn't show you guys the last time, but this week I did record it. And I didn't show you guys how I mix the bentonite clay this week. Maybe next week when I do my pre-poo, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so to create my shampoo, I added to a jar quarter cup of boiling hot water. I added the African black soap in pieces. This black soap I got from an I forgot, an African store somewhere. I can't remember where I got it from, but this African black soap, it got coconut, not coconut, cocoa beans in there with coconut oil already in there. That's some of the ingredients in there, and I let it sit in the boiling water for about 10 minutes, and after that I added some aloe vera gel from there, inside of the, as you can see, and I'm mixing it up or whatever. After that, I added some of my oil. I add vitamin E oil. I add some essential oil like peppermint oil. I added a lavender oil, um, argan oil, tea tree oil, and that's about it. I mixed it up, and I was gonna add the castor soap, but I noticed that it was already lathery enough for me, so I just went with it, and this was perfect, guys. It smelled just like the black soap, and it was good. It came out awesome. So guys, this is all the hair loss on this wash day. So this is literally the first time I detangle my hair during this wash process. My hair was in twist for 2 weeks. I took out my hair with my hands, and then I put in the bentonite clay, washed my hair, and this is literally the first time I'm detangling my hair with this, and this is all I got out. So not bad. Ding. Silly. Alright guys, so one thing I discovered about the black soap shampoo, it strips your hair like, it's like completely stripped, like nothing. Like your hair completely feel like there's nothing in there. So because I'm not using conditioner, I contemplate using conditioner, but I'm like, no, it's still like, it's soft. My hair is soft and it feels good, but I just don't want to use anything that I don't know what's inside there, any kind of perfume or anything. So I'm just gonna, to put back the moisture in my hair, I'm gonna use my Cantilever conditioner and my coconut oil and see how that goes. I'm not gonna be adding any kind of thing, but I'm not gonna do this whole routine again on camera because you guys see me do it over 1,000 times before, so we're not gonna get into that. So guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you can know each time I upload one of these videos. Until next time guys, bye.